What I Eat in a Day Challenge, Pandesal to Sinigang in a Flash. Craving a taste of the Philippines? Join me in this fun What I Eat in a Day Challenge, Pandesal to Sinigang in a Flash. Watch as we whip up delicious pandesal for breakfast, indulge in savory lunch bites, and master the art of cooking a hearty sinigang by dinner. Experience the flavors, aromas, and vibrant culture, all packed in one entertaining day. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to satisfy your cravings, this video is your ultimate guide to easy-to-make Filipino recipes.
Looking for a quick, delicious, and authentically Filipino way to fuel your day? Join us on a whirlwind culinary adventure as we tackle the What I Eat in a Day challenge. It's a day packed with classic Filipino flavors, from a comforting pandesal breakfast to a hearty sinigang dinner. This isn't just about food, it's about experiencing the vibrant tastes and simple joys that make Filipino cuisine so loved. Get ready for a fast-paced, visually engaging journey through breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We've sprinkled in a dash of Taglish to keep things relatable and fun. We'll break down each meal, offering a glimpse into how these delicious dishes come together. You'll see why they're staples in Filipino households. Whether you're a foodie, a Filipino food enthusiast, or just curious, this challenge is for you. The ultimate Filipino foodie challenge, my What I Eat in a Day. Morning fuel, pandesal and coffee kickstart. Filipinos know how to start the day right. Our morning meal is often simple yet incredibly satisfying. This section details the iconic Filipino breakfast, emphasizing its widespread appeal. The quintessential pandesal experience. Pandesal is a soft, slightly sweet bread roll. Its texture is fluffy, perfect for a fresh start. You can find this bread in nearly every bakery across the Philippines. Most people enjoy pandesal warm, often with butter, cheese, or dipped into hot coffee. This inexpensive, easy-to-find bread truly sets the tone for a good day. Actionable tip: grab some warm pandesal and pair it with your favorite spread. Dipping it into hot coffee offers a truly authentic taste experience. My morning coffee ritual. A strong cup of coffee always joins my pandesal. It might be a quick 3-in-1 mix, or perhaps freshly brewed black coffee. This morning drink offers that needed energizing kick. It complements the pandesal's soft sweetness perfectly. My Lola always starts her day with a cup of strong, black coffee and a warm pandesal. It's a tradition that never gets old. Midday delights, a taste of Filipino comfort. Lunchtime in the Philippines is a serious affair. It's usually a balanced and flavorful meal, keeping you energized for the rest of the day. The hearty lunch, rice is life. Rice stands as the center of almost every Filipino meal. We truly believe rice is life. Whether it's plain steamed rice or flavorful fried rice, it forms the base. This grain powers us through long days. According to the Philippine Rice Research Institute, PhilRice, rice remains the primary staple food for Filipinos. People eat about 120 kilograms per person each year. A flavorful main dish. For lunch, I usually choose a classic like chicken adobo. The savory, tangy, and slightly sweet chicken simmered in soy sauce, vinegar, and garlic is a national favorite. It's easy to make and full of bold flavors. This dish is hearty and always leaves you satisfied. Actionable tip: try making a simple adobo at home. It's much easier than you thinkin', and always a crowd pleaser. Refreshing side dish or vegetable option. A simple side dish always brightens up lunch. Sometimes, it's a fresh tomato and onion salad tossed with a bit of fish sauce. Other times, I opt for a quick ginisang gulay, or sautéed vegetables. A squeeze of calamansi on my adobo adds that perfect tangy contrast. It balances out the rich flavors. Afternoon pick-me-up, merienda time. Filipinos love their merienda. This afternoon snack tradition helps break up the day. It provides a sweet or savory boost between lunch and dinner. The sweetness of merienda. Merienda is a special time for a break. we often reach for something sweet. This little pause helps power us through the afternoon slump. Time for merienda, guys. Need something sweet to power through the afternoon? It's a nice way to reset. Popular merienda choices. My go-to merienda favorites include Turin. These are crispy banana spring rolls, often with jackfruit inside. Another great choice is bibinka, a soft, fluffy rice cake. These treats are easy to find or make. They perfectly satisfy any sweet craving. Actionable tip: try making simple Turin at home using ripe bananas and spring roll wrappers. They fry up quickly for a delicious snack. Evening feast, sinigang satisfaction. As evening approaches, Filipinos often crave a comforting and warm meal. Sinigang fits this perfectly. It's a beloved sour soup that feels like a warm hug. The comforting bowl of sinigang. Sinigang is more than just a soup, it's a feeling of home. This savory and sour soup typically uses a tamarind broth. It's incredibly versatile, made with different meats like pork, beef, shrimp, or fish. The rich, sour taste makes it a standout dish. According to renowned Filipino chef Jean Gonzalez, sinigang is more than just a dish, it's a feeling of home and comfort for many Filipinos. Key ingredients and flavor profile. The magic of sinigang comes from its essential ingredients. Tamarind, or other souring agents like guava or camillas, gives it its distinct tang. It includes various vegetables such as kangkong, water spinach, radish, okra, eggplant, and string beans. These fresh components blend into a comforting and healthy meal. The sourness from the tamarind and the freshness of the vegetables in sinigang are just perfect after a long day. Serving sinigang, the Filipino way. We usually serve sinigang hot, alongside a mound of steamed rice. A small dipping sauce of patties, fish sauce, with chili often accompanies it. This lets you adjust the saltiness and spice to your liking. It's a simple, yet profoundly satisfying way to end the day. Actionable tip: adjust the sourness and saltiness of your sinigang to your personal preference. Don't be afraid to experiment with different souring agents for varied flavors. Hydration and final thoughts. Staying refreshed throughout the day is key. Along with the delicious food, we make sure to hydrate. Staying hydrated the Filipino way. Water is always present, of course. But sometimes, a refreshing drink hits differently. Common Filipino beverages include fresh fruit juices, like a tart calamansi juice. Iced tea is also a popular choice. Of course, gotta stay hydrated. Water is life, but sometimes a cold glass of calamansi juice hits the spot. Reflecting on the day's flavors. This day has been a journey through diverse Filipino tastes and textures. We enjoyed comforting breakfast staples, hearty lunch fare, sweet merienda, and a soul-warming dinner. Filipino eating emphasizes fresh ingredients and familiar, comforting flavors. Each meal tells a story. Key takeaway: a day of Filipino eating is a journey through diverse tastes and textures. It emphasizes fresh ingredients and comforting, familiar flavors.
This What I Eat in a Day challenge has taken us through the delicious spectrum of Filipino cuisine. We explored everything from the humble Pandesal to the comforting Sinigang. You've seen how simple, fresh ingredients and traditional preparation methods create meals. These meals are both satisfying and deeply rooted in culture. Remember, the beauty of Filipino food lies in its adaptability and the warmth it brings. Whether you're recreating these dishes at home or exploring them for the first time, the flavors. Enjoy the process and savor the experience. So, go ahead, try a taste of the Philippines today. From the fluffy, buttery goodness of Pandesal for breakfast to the savory goodness of Sinigang for dinner, this video will tantalize your taste buds and ignite your love for Filipino food. Join me on this delicious journey, packed with quick recipes, cooking hacks, and plenty of fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing food adventures.